everyone, today I'm telling you about what our real names are. So let's get straight on with it. My name in acting is Twilight Sparkle, but my real name is Lucy. My name in acting, I've forgotten, but my real name is Fiona. My name in acting is Fletcher, but my real name is John. My name in acting is sometimes Leela, sometimes Rosa, sometimes Lola. I have a lot of names in acting because a lot of people forget my name. But my real name is Rosa. Why is my typebook glitching? Sorry about that. My name in acting is Fluttershy, but my real name is my real name is Fiona as well. My name is Jess, and if you didn't know that, you're stupid. My name in acting is Fashion Twilight Sparkle, but my real name is Lucy 2.0. My name in acting is Applejack, but my real name is Martha. And now, Rosa, if you'll do the outro, I would be very happy to. Well, guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please like and subscribe, if you haven't already. And, put down in the comments which name you like the most, which will probably be Rosa, because that is the best name ever. And the one that you like the worst, like the one that you don't like. And if you like all of them, just comment all. If you like more than one, comment, comment how many you want. Hope you enjoyed this video, guys. Bye!